Ka-ching? Or is it your imagination? This chamber has no windows and no doors, which offers you this chilling challenge: to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, all in the spirits wherever they're at. Tranquility, it's time to respond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Be sure to